Hi coders, I'm Nurcoding and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a simple in-game color picker. A color picker is a graphical user interface widget used to select colors. In Unity, we have a color picker within the color-based variable editor, but we don't have any color picker in the game. Let's start with the tutorial. First of all, we need to create our script. Let's call it something like ColorPicker. Yes, I have a lot of creativity, right? Then, inside it, we will create the main function, pick, which takes two variables, the position of the point on the screen and the image where the color will be chosen. Inside, we will declare a vector2 variable. This will be assigned through the out parameter of the next line. In this way, we will be able to check the position of the point inside the image rectangle. To complete, we need to add the half of the total size of the image rectangle to this variable. Next, we declare a texture2 variable and assign it the image texture. At this point, we will calculate the point inside the texture with this line and return it as a color. Now let's create an output variable and add to this script a pointer interface like this, iPointerClickHandler. Within its callback method we will call the pick function, and through the eventData variable and the word2screenPoint camera function we will have the screen point to pass as first parameter. Then we get the image component of the GameObject as the second parameter. You can also create a public image variable and assign it through the editor. To terminate this script, assign the return value to the output variable, save and return to Unity. Import the texture and make sure to enable the readWrite parameter. Now you can start creating your UI. For this tutorial, I used a hexagonal color image. Add the color picker script to this game object and hit play. Now all we need to do is click on the image to detect the color under the mouse position. With this script you can create more complex color selection systems, and with further improvements you can accomplish something like this. Thanks for watching, press the like button and subscribe for more.